Hey guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix, and today we're gonna draw a cat.
We're gonna draw a cat, that's right. Okay, let's get to it.
Meow.
First step, we're gonna do his nose. So we want to do like a dip like that in the middle of the page, and then you want to curve it off at the top, like a hill. Cool, I like it. Now from here, you want to do like, kind of like a hook that way to the right, and then you want to do a hook back to the left, and it's kind of like an anchor, but at the moment it just looks like a guy with a head with two legs. And now we're going to do a little U here underneath for his tongue.
Meow.
Now the next step is we're going to do his two eyes. He's going to have big eyes, so you want to come over here just slightly and do kind of a upside down U like that. Yep. And then within that you want to do a little bump like a hill to cap it off at the bottom, and we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So a U here, and then another little bump in there.
Yeah.
Cool. And so with this one, we want to draw kind of a circle here, and we do a circle in the corner like that. And these are going to be the highlights. And here we just color in this area in black.
But not those highlights.
No, not the circles. So this highlights, so just give a little bit more depth to the cat's eyes. The next step is we're going to do the exact same thing over this side. Big circle in the top, small circle in the corner. And again, color in around them. Cool. Cat is taking shape. Now we're going to do like two lines up here for the eyebrow. So one little bendy line like that on one side, on the right, another one on the left, like that. Okay, so the next step is we're going to do the cat's ears. Meow, meow, meow. You want to come up to around about here, do one curve like that, and then you want to do one big curve that comes down into there. And we're going to do the opposite on this side here, same thing, one curve up like that, and then one curve down into there. And it doesn't matter where you position them, because whatever you position them is going to make the cat look cute anyway.
Yeah, look, see?
Oh, I like it. So we're going to connect these two ears to form the top of the cat's head. So heel up and down. Sorry, what was that, Phoenix?
Well, the first one, it wasn't like a normal cat. It looked like a little chipmunk.
A chipmunk.
A little cute one.
Okay, so the next step here, we're going to do the cat's face. But first of all, I want you to do a hook like that. One hook like that. And a hook on the other opposite side like this. Okay, and this is a cool part. We're going to come down, like really come right down to say in the middle of these two here. So watch me here. So we're going to go like that. Big heel in. And another big heel in on that side. And then we want to do like a little line here that connects it up. So that's the cat's chin. Okay, so the next step is we're going to do the cat's insides of the ears. So what you want to do, you want to do one line that goes up like that. Another line that goes down like that. And then a little heel that caps them off at the top. And they're kind of like little rockets, I guess you could say. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Up, down, up the hill, down the hill, like that. Now on the top of the cat, he's going to have some patterns. So in the middle, I want you to draw one big line, a U, like that. Boom, skinny U. On the right, left of that U, you want to do a small U. And then on the right of that U, you want to do another U. Lots of U's going on here today. It's all about you. You.
I'm gonna do an extra.
You're going to do an extra U. So this is the fun thing about art. You can make it however you want. You can add another U, add no U's if you don't want to. It's up to you. Now the next step, we want to add the cat's whiskers. Now cats obviously have whiskers. So we're going to come here, draw a bendy line that way, one. Another bendy line that way, make it a bit longer than the other one, and a small one here. Yep. And we do it on the opposite side as well. This time a small one, a long one.
Okay.
And a longer one. Now we need to finish off the cat's body. So we're going to do like a line that comes down here, sort of bumps and curves in. So start at the neck, come out a bit, and go down like that. So it's kind of like you're driving on a road, you're going down, and you go, oh, I've got to take a little bit of a turn, like that. Now here comes the fun part. Got to do his feet, his little paws. This is his back foot, so we're going to do a circle that goes in and around like that. And then we do the exact same thing around this way, half circles. Yep. Now we're going to do is 2 little paws at the bottom. So these are like really big U's. So one line goes down here and stops like that. It's kind of like I guess you could say it's a little bit like a hook.
Can you do some dots?
Some dots. So you want to start there, maybe come down to here, do it. Boom, like that. Oh. Okay, and we're doing the exact opposite side like this. So you want to come down and around like that and give it a go. Beautiful, see? And then we want to connect the body at the bottom like that. It's taking shape. Now on his paws, we just want to make it accentuated a little bit. Let's do a U like that. Don't connect it to the edges because we can color this in a different color to what's here later on. Now the tail, cats need a tail. What you want to do is you want to do a little curve like this here, like that. And then you want to take that curve, hug the page, you probably have a bit more room than I do, and then come all the way down into his paw here. And then to finish the tail off, you just want to do a little line that goes into the body like that. And that's the cat.
Meow.
And for this cat, he's going to have some patterns on him. So I'm going to put a U here, sideways U. I'm going to put another U here, 1 U here, 1 U here. Put another U on the opposite side to balance these U's out. And then we want to just finish off the cat's paws. So we'll put a circle here with his pad and another pad here. Oh, we need to connect that up. Bit of a line there. And then on his chest, we're going to do kind of like a patch on his chest.
Look.
Ooh, I like that, Phoenix. That's cool. All right, so we do 1 little U like that, sort of a heel. And then we come in a U like that. And a side line like this and try and curve it up at the bottom there. And there we have it.
Me.
That is our cat. How cool does that look? Yes, you're a very cute cat. I like it, Phoenix.
The next step is we're gonna color in.
Okay, let's do it. All right, there we go, guys. We colored in. Woo! I like your cat, Phoenix. It's a green cat. Why did you pick green?
Because it's my favorite color.
My favorite color is green. Got to make the cat green. That's cool.
And yours looks like Garfield.
Mine looks like Garfield. Yeah, it does a little bit. And his Garfield has got a little ball with some string and a little mouse is trying to run away.
You forgot to put the lasagna in it.
Lasagna?
Because he likes lasagna.
Garfield likes lasagna? Oh, okay. I didn't know that. There you go. So what can the guys at home do?
Pause the video and subscribe.
That's right. You can pause the video and watch it to catch up so don't fall behind. And you can subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all the cool videos that we've got coming out in the future. All right, Phoenix, you have fun today?
Yes.
That's cool. My name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is...
Phoenix.
And we had fun making art. Hope to see you next time. Bye. What's next? Please subscribe to our channel to see what other videos we come up with. It's really good for, yeah, it's really good. Please subscribe. And today, my name's...